Skin's red raw from all the compression, but it's like my waist is disappearing. Like how? What? So red. That's one. Jumping on quickly to show you how I tie my corset, making sure the extra material, the flat, is all flat. Now I take the top bit to make sure my ribs are compressed. You really want to get those ribs in tight and snug. Make sure you're remolding them the way they should be. Get it in, squeezing in, go. 1, 2, that's it, final tug. Kind of looks insane. Look how nuts that looks. Get there. And then, oh wow, I can actually do, so this is what I did on the small and medium when I was wearing them. You can get the loop to actually fit across and fit across there. I actually tied an extra lace to tie it in the middle here because it wasn't reaching, but today it's reaching. I'm going to keep the lace on in case in an hour I'm in so much pain and I can't take it. I'm going to keep that as an extra security thing and just tuck that into my jeans. This is the extra small and it closed. That's insane. I'm so shocked it fit on the hooks. I wore it like 4 or 5 days ago. The loops only came to here, so I had the extra lace to tie it to make it fit. Very surprised, but very happy. I'm going out now to a very, very exciting place. I don't know if I'm going to vlog about this, but something's happening in my life which I never thought would happen. It just shows you no matter where you've been in your life, it's never too late. But I'm doing something today that I'm so thankful for. And maybe I'll share this in the upcoming videos. Maybe not in this series, but something's happening that I just never thought would happen. I'm in a diamond store and I'm loosening my corset. It's too much. It's been about 2 hours. I give up. I submit. It has to be a little bit looser. Whew. That's why I keep that lace on. Because then I can just give myself an extra inch or 2 inches.
Alright guys, sorry about that. Here is the last stuff.
Can I get some cheese on this?
Crab with cheese?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Crab Louis with dressing on the side.
Okay, we've gone from downtown, so now I'm in Westwood and going to get my eyebrow tattoo lasered off. This is really painful. So this is what we're working with. I used to have microblading done in London like 5 years ago. Spent like $300, no, £300, probably like 2 or 3 times. It's all BS. It all just blended and bled out. It's supposed to look like fine hairs, fine lines. It just bled. As soon as you go in the sun, it fades. It looked like it was turning red. And then I got it lasered off and it turned blue, like blue eyebrows. Thank you. This is the numbing cream. You definitely want to come early and get this on because, oh my god, getting the tattoo removal is bloody painful. Hair removal, I just come in and get it blasted, don't need no cream. But for tattoo, it is, you want to laser it until it gets like white frosted tips. And it's so painful. Now, I like this girl. I'll put her name because I can't pronounce it. I like this girl in this salon. Going to like Dr. Laser and Laser Away in LA costs 5 times more. Found this online. And when I came here, she said I didn't need to shave my eyebrows off to get a laser. You can just straight away laser it. It's just a pigment that goes for a few weeks. And I like my eyebrows lighter than darker. I bleach my eyebrows because I have very black eyebrows with like dark brown hair and I look very fierce. It's great for movies.
Mongal. A peaceful warrior, but my fist will do demolition. Ambition raw combined with a future vision. I train my heart to be pure with super intuition. Come for all is no cure to heal, it's my mission. Fly like a falcon, fly across the land and hit him with the fist of the Shaolin attack like a...
Usually I always bleach my eyebrows anyway, so I love how my eyebrows looked after being lasered because the pigment has gone slightly muted and slightly softer. She's been doing it without me having to shave all my eyebrows off and I look batshit crazy for like a month and love it, and she's really thorough, hence why I need the numbing cream because she doesn't mess about, she goes right in. We have to wait 15 minutes. Where's your dog? Okay, dog school. Yeah, I'm gonna pick them up now.
Don't care about like hair. It's okay, yeah.
I don't care about the hair. I like the hair when you do it. I like it when it goes lighter.
Okay. Sometimes.
Oh, oh my god. I can smell bacon. Wow. Wow. Excellent. Thank you so much.
Cool.
Can I show the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. She's the best. Are you gonna come? I'm gonna put her name.
Holly.
Holly.
H-A-L-E-H.
Oh, my makeup's down. My face. So painful. Oh, God. But anyway, I'm wearing my boyfriend's hat because I forgot mine. Like, look at my eyebrows. Crazy, so I hide them. Look at this, look. That's LA for you. Robots everywhere. The next day after the eyebrow, a laser. That was really painful. I got a few blisters and a little bit of redness. It frosted over last night, but not too bad. But she definitely blasted me, which I want. So not too bad the next day. As I said, you don't look too crazy. And my hairs have not been burnt off. If anything, the pigment is slightly less. They're less dark, which is what I love anyway. But I am going to stand away from you guys and get over there because I woke up, I got the flu. Or I got a cold. Last night I got a sore throat. I woke up today and my nose is running. I've got a headache. I don't want to smash the camera lens with how I look right now because I do look a bit crazy. But I do have a lot of clothes that have come in the mail and I want to do an unboxing with you. And I want to decide whether I'm going to keep this stuff or return this stuff and take it back. Got a big box from Eyebrow. And then I'm not one for maxi dresses, summer dresses. I'm not one for dresses, as you can tell. In particular, but am I boring you? There was one dress that I saw in the outlet, but they didn't have my size. I bought it anyway, just in case I wanted to get it tailored. This is it here. And then I found it online, they just came up. And my size and a size smaller. I used to be a medium, now I'm a small. I used to be a 6, now I'm like a 4 with this waist. I bought 2 sizes anyway, we're going to decide which one I'm going to keep. This one is the one that I'll be posting on eBay. It's brand new, still with all the tags. I love the back detail, very rock and roll, very All Saints. Brand new, that'll be on my eBay. I don't wear it like an A-line dress, we'll wear this with a rock and roll kind of kimono belt. I'll show you now. Oh, this cold or flu or whatever, it's knocking my socks off. But I have to stay up and about. My boyfriend's chauffeur at the moment. He has the shoulder surgery. He's not driving. I'm taking him to work, taking him out from work. This was a belt I picked up at All Saints as well. I'd wear it like that. Very Ibiza, Mykonos, Malibu kind of style. The back is very cool. You can see my corset on the sides. Ignore that. By the time summer comes, I'm well out of the corset. Ordered a US 6 and a US 4. So I have the US 4 on right now, which is nuts to think that I'm fitting in a US 4, but it is what it is. Which one am I going to keep? So I'm not keeping both of them. I will keep the 4 really. I like how fitted it is, how high it is on the neck. That's the keeper. Size 8 will be on my eBay. Ugh, I'm not feeling good. The next thing got to try on, this Eyebrow dress. I can't get a refund on this, but I can do an exchange. I really like a Mandarin Chinese cheongsam dress, kind of sporty style. Very ninja-ish, to like dress like a warrior sometimes. In my own head anyway. This is the medium. It is too big. My legs are still definitely a medium large. I'll link this down below, but I think it was like $100 and I got it for like 50 or 53. If you hear snoring, it's not me. My dog has separation anxiety issue. He has to be with me at all times. Just cute, but also a bit noisy. Oh yeah, it's definitely too big. Look at the back. I saw this coat. Very anime, very warrior. I don't want to look like a Emily in Paris or sophisticated lady. I like to look like a badass. Hence why I'm living my dream. I get paid to fight men with swords. But I saw this coat and I thought this is super Blade Runner, Mad Max style, which is, yes, is not a fashion. It's how I like to dress now. It's very big, but it's got a built-in corset. If you're in the corsets like I am, kind of cool. Now this is a small. I'm usually a medium. Because it's so big and puffy, last thing you need is to be even bigger. I want to look like a truck if I wore a medium in this, so I tried on the small. It's still big, but it fits. Now it looks very anime, as I said, but I think that's cool. I love this. Look how tiny you look. So when I go back to the gym in January, I come out of the corset December 27th. You're not supposed to lift for 3 months. So January, I'll be good to go. So imagine when I go back to the gym and I'm wearing like black leggings and then just this and these, my old faithfuls. If you see my Instagram, for the last 5 years I've been wearing these glasses. Now is this jacket a keeper? Or do I just look absolutely nuts? Do I look like Mitchell and mine? Get some thumbnail shots. that should be my blank wall. That's it. This is what I need for my YouTube. Yeah, I need one part of my closet, my glam room, to be a plain background so I can show you the outfits and the looks. Everything is otherwise just too colourful and you're not really seeing anything. That's what I was told anyways. Nails out. It should be studio ready. This is my new little glam corner, I suppose. Is this jacket a keeper? It's around $280 in A-Low, and then the Black Friday sale, it's around $200. I like this dress, which is good because I'm not allowed to take it back. I can't exchange it for a small, and I think this has to be a small. But I'll probably wear this with like gym shorts or gym leggings. I'm just not into short skirts anymore. Shuffle around and be careful how I sit. I'd rather have some shorts underneath or a pair of leggings and use it as a top instead. I'm going to put you lower so you're not forced to see my full face. Now this is a small. I got this in a medium and a small. And I think I'm going to keep the medium because this just fits. And if I end up, like I yo-yo with my weight and I'm usually a medium, it just fits, but it's not the most comfiest. It's super tight on the shorts. I just think the medium is just good enough and I don't need to be sticking to eating salads when I'm wearing this. Keep this one in the medium, take the other dress back, change that for a small. This is why you always have to try things on. I'm always in the middle. Got a built-in bra, back lace, got some shorts in. And this was on sale. I think this was about 130 or 120 and I got it for like 89. That's it for the try-on haul. And I'm gonna go back into my pajamas. I'm gonna take some vitamin C and deal with this flu. Works. I've jumped on quickly. I'm not going to show you my face because I am dying of flu. I don't want to scare anyone. It's just got worse. But I've come to the realization, the reason, it only took me like 7 weeks to figure it out. The reason this bloody corset has a burning sensation is because it's one giant piece of bloody elastic. So it feels like a Chinese burn over your torso the whole time you're wearing it. And then I started to wear, you know, those cheap sweat belts, Neosporin, no, not Neosporin, that's a medication. I am full of M-bombs. The wetsuit material. I've been wearing this as a cushion to stop the elastic burning me, and it works. Girls, it only took me 7 weeks to figure it out. Please don't do what I did. I bought this years ago. That's like one piece of elastic, it's a waist trainer. Total waste of money. You see them on Amazon, they like wrap around. It's supposed to cinch you in. It's just garbage. I bought this cheap waist trainer from a Chinese supermarket. I'm terrible for just buying things in case. And you know what? They come in handy. Hey, how long? Oh, this is super long. This is longer than this one. No, it's not. It's the same actually. And it's cuter, so let's try that. I just missed the Velcro. Alright, you saw me a few days ago where I just got the flu and I tried on all that A-Low unboxing. Well, the flu got worse. It's super padded. Yes, I look thicker and I look a bit chubby wearing the extra padding. But to stop this elastication Chinese burn, it actually feels really, really comfy. The solution is to wear like a scuba gear belt, like one of those waist trainer cheap belts that you get in the dollar store or the Chinese supermarkets. Pad yourself with one of them and then it won't grip onto your skin. Even though I was wearing that protective cloth, even if you wear a vest, it still burns. This is the small. I still got 5 weeks to cinch in and I'm on the end. What do? Do I need to get an extra small? Actually, I'll message the doctor and I'll let you know what he says if he'll send me an extra small. If there is an extra small. He only mentioned medium and small and this is the small and I'm at the end. But I'm not even like that small. Am I that small? I can't be an extra small. I haven't been an extra small since I was an infant. Alright, that's a quick update. I'm gonna go back on the sofa and take a lemsip right now. My head's banging.